You wear braids for weeks, but when you take them down, your hair still feels short, dry or broken. The truth is, your hair is growing in braids, but small habits many people don't notice are stopping you from retaining that growth. Hi my beautiful people, welcome back. In today's video, I'm sharing why your hair isn't growing in braids and how to fix it. Let's get straight into it. One of the biggest reasons your hair may not be growing is tight braids. When your braids are too tight, your scalp gets stressed and sore, hair strands pulled at the roots. Your edges can thin out without you realizing it. Think of it like planting a tree. If you constantly pull the roots, it will grow weaker. Your hair is the same. Even though it's growing from the scalp, it breaks at the roots before you can see it. Braids should be firm but not painful. Think of it like wearing shoes. You want them to fit well and stay on, but not so tight that your feet hurt. If your head hurts after braiding, it's a warning. Looser braids still protect your hair and actually help retain the length you grow. Also, tight braids make it hard to moisturize the scalp because you can't reach the roots properly. This is why small adjustments, just loosening the tension a bit, can make a huge difference. I remember one of the time I braided too tightly, thinking tight is neat. By the time I took them down, my edges were thinner than before. I had to relearn that gentleness is better than perfection. The second reason why your hair isn't growing in braids is lack of moisture. Even though your hair is in braids, it still needs moisture. Many people think braids mean no care is needed, but that's not true. Dry hair inside braids become brittle, and brittle hair breaks easily, no matter how long your braids are. Here is what I do to keep my hair healthy while in braids. I lightly spray water on my hair to refresh it. Water gives instant hydration. I apply small amount of leave-in conditioner. This keeps hair soft, manageable and nourished. Then I seal in the moisture with a little oil or hair butter. This prevents water from evaporating and protects my hair strands. The product and the amount you use depend on your hair type and porosity. High porosity hair absorbs moisture fast but losing it quickly. So applying water, leave-in conditioner and a heavier butter works best. While low porosity hair is slower to absorb moisture. So lightly spritzing with water, using a lighter leave-in and sealing with a light oil is perfect. I also make my own DIY hair care products like moisturizing sprays, nourishing oils and hair butter. These are all natural, gentle and can really boost hair health without harsh chemicals. Sprays help refresh moisture, oil helps strengthen the roots and seal ends, butter helps protect and soften strands. Using DIY products regularly is one of the best ways to keep braids soft, shiny and healthy while also supporting the hair growth. I used to just spray or oil thinking it was enough, but my ends were still dry. Once I learned to apply water plus leave-in conditioner plus oil or butter, my braids stayed soft, my ends doesn't snap and my hair actually felt stronger even after some weeks. Don't overdo it, just a little at a time, especially on the ends because they are the most oldest and most fragile parts. Consistency matters more than quantity. The third reason why your hair isn't growing in braids is neglecting the scalp. Your scalp is the foundation of healthy hair growth, and proper washing is just as important as moisturizing or using oils. Even in braids, your scalp can get dusty, sweaty, or have product buildup, which can slow growth and cause shedding. Here is what I do for my scalp. I carefully wash my scalp using a mid shampoo or a DIY shampoo I made at home. This removes dirt and product buildup without stripping the scalp of its natural oil. I massage my scalp gently with my fingertips. This increases blood flow circulation and stimulates the hair follicles. After washing, I apply a few drops of my DIY hair oils directly to my scalp. These natural oils nourish the scalp, strengthens roots and supports hair growth. Be gentle. Never scratch aggressively or rub too hard. Wash your hair 1 to 2 weeks. This keeps your scalp fresh, prevents buildup and helps your hair stay healthy. The fourth reason why your hair isn't growing in braids is too much handling. Braids are protective, but some people constantly pull, adjust, or style them. Constant handling causes friction and stress on the hair strands. Less is more. Leave your hair alone as much as possible. Avoid tight ponytails, buns, or excessive styling over the braids. Think about it like a baby plant. If you keep touching or bending it, it won't grow straight or strong. The same goes for your hair. I used to retouch my braids almost every day because I wanted them perfect. After noticing breakage, I learned to leave them alone, and my hair stays strong and healthy longer. The fifth reason why your hair isn't growing in braids is no night protection. Even if your braids are perfect during the day, friction while sleeping can break hair. Always wrap your braids in a satin or silk scarf, or sleep on a satin pillowcase if you forget the scarf. Avoid cotton pillowcases, they pull hair and remove moisture. Little habits like this make a huge difference. Even 5 minutes of proper wrapping each night helps prevent breakage. The sixth reason why your hair isn't growing in braids is keeping braids for too long. Braids are great, but keeping them too long can lead to tangling, matting, and weak strands. 4 to 6 weeks is usually enough for most braids. Check your scalp and edges weekly. If your hair feels weak, dry, or tangled, it's time to take them down. I once kept braids for 14 weeks straight. My hair at the root became fragile and I had small knots. After adjusting to 6 to 8 weeks per install, my hair became healthier and grew strong. Here is the summary of what will really help your hair grow and retain length in braids. Gentle braids, not tight. Keep hair moisturized, especially ends. Take care of your scalp regularly. Leave braids alone as much as possible. Protect hair at night with a satin scarf or a pillowcase. Don't keep braids too long. Small changes make big differences over time. Natural hair growth is a journey, not a race. You don't have to be perfect. Consistency, care, and patience are the real secrets. Even if your hair seems slow to grow, if you follow these habits, you will see results over time. If you found these tips helpful, please like this video and subscribe for more natural hair tips, DIYs, and tutorials. Also, comment below, which of these habits are you going to start today? I love hearing your answers. I will see you in my next video. Bye!